Oh, what a beautiful morning. I'm on simple green, so you know that means warm-up time. It's just as probably as yesterday. No trail fair work last night.
Maybe it's just me, but I'm starting to notice more and more older people at the bike parks. And when I say older people, I mean not kids, not 20-year-olds, not 30-year-olds, 40s and up, getting back into riding and starting to experience the fun of the bike park and going faster. And when I talk to them, they all seem to have the same fears that I do. You know, why do I take the risk I take at 52 years old? Whether it be injury, failure, comparison to younger kids. And I have a couple of things that I do to try to work myself up, and I'm going to go over those with you. First, I like to work my way into a feature, know that I have the skill to do it. So if you want to do this big jump, you need to be able to do the smaller jump first. Work my way up like that. So here, I'm going to do a trail called Cindy Crawford. It has a pretty substantial step up into a wooden kicker. My last video from Jared's, I did this wooden kicker for the first time. So today, earlier in the day, I really wanted to get to it as soon as I could. Another way to help those fears is to make sure your skills are up to date and on point. Get with a paid professional that can help you, look at you, and tell you what you're really doing wrong. Don't just rely on some guy you never met before. Get with someone that knows what they're talking about to look at you and analyze. And at the very least, video yourself and really compare it to what the good guys are doing. The third thing that really helps is find yourself a good mentor. Someone who has done the feature before or is a better rider than you and that can help you face those fears and tell you what speed to hit it at or whatever. Someone you trust. Myself, I like to mentor people when I can too. Just like right here, this is a subscriber named Todd, and I gave him a tow down Armucci and listen to what he said.
Warm up.
Holy shit, that's the fastest I've ever come by.
That's fun, ain't it?
So just like I did with Todd, this is Zach. Zach was in my last video from here where we started on doing this trail that I'm really wanting to get done, unlimited breadsticks. He helped me do the first squirrel catcher feature as an on-off, and then I did the wooden cannon one time at the end of the day, come up a little bit short. So today the plan is, because this trail we can break down into different sections, the plan right now, squirrel catcher, wooden cannon, if I feel good, the first kicker. Here we go.
I got the first one.
Nice.
And then I was overwhelmed.
That's good. That's how I did it. Just one at a time.
So you heard the man, one at a time. So we go right back up to do it again.
I bailed out. Your bike started making a god-awful noise. Yeah. When we came off the whale tail, it started going skak, 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 skak.
Because I really wanted to get this done and I wanted to do it
Yeah.
now while I felt like I'd overcome the fear of it. I pedaled right back up to just where Unlimited Breadstick starts. And what do you know? I found my little buddy, Asher. He's wanting me to tow him into the on-off feature and possibly the cannon. So it worked out perfect for both of us.
We did the on-off, And then Zach's bike started making a horrible noise. And I'm like, surely he's not going to keep going. And I turned off and he kept going.
And right there's where I turned my camera off. But thankfully, Casey Salsa was there, and she got me too while she was going to record Asher. Woo! And come find out, Cole left her GoPro running mistakenly and got me doing the second kicker. So it all worked out. After doing it a couple more times, the only thing left to do was to go to the top, do a full lap, ending on unlimited breadsticks. It's weird facing your fears, but I really felt comfortable at this point. I had gradual exposure, building my way up to it. I had mentors and friends, and I know that my skills are there. There was nothing left to do but just break it down piece by piece and do it, and now I'm going to put it together all in a solid lap. With that, the relief has come. I've done it enough now that I'm not exactly scared of it. I'll be able to warm up and go right back to it, which means I'm ready for the next bigger feature or something that scares me. And this is how I deal with fear of new features as a 52-year-old rider. I hope it helps you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, please leave a comment below. All the things that YouTubers are supposed to say. Hit that like button. Please subscribe. It means a lot to me. People come up to me nearly every time I'm at a bike park and say they recognize me or my voice, and that's pretty cool. So I'll be out and about. Maybe I'll see you there.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought.